Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Is this thing on? Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be more like a vlog style, getting my house ready for Christmas. You know, now that I'm an old woman, I take pleasure in doing things like this, decorating for the seasons. And Christmas is definitely the most fun to decorate for. So I got a tree, a big ass tree, ornaments, the whole shebang. And I'm basically gonna make over the living room and add some Christmas spice to it. If you don't know what that was, it's Christmas spice.
If Santa could do it, then so could
Sylvia.
Drink eggnog every time I say Christmas in this video. Christmas activity for you. You're welcome. Oh, I said it again. Oops. Let's see what we're working with in the living room. I started in here because the lighting is better, so I had to. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, because bomb more Christmas videos to come. Here is my living room, okay? It's lame right now, no Christmas spirit.
Boring.
The Grinch lives here, but no, we're gonna make Santa Claus and his elves live here in a minute. So this is the corner that I want the Christmas tree. It's in this box right here right now. We got a ton of decorations all on this corner. We're gonna move all that out of the way, put up the big tree and decorate it. And then I got some other like house decor items like this to put some sticks. They're literally sticks that like have lights on them. So we're gonna put lit sticks in there. I think I got some garland. If it came in, we'll put that. You know, we're just gonna do a whole lot of the Christmas decorating. This whole corner has got the goods. First things first, I gotta get comfy.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Okay, update. The entire tree is finally up and out of the box. It took forever just to like put it together and spread the branches out and all that. We had the Grinch up on the TV for a bit to get in the holiday spirit, but now Charles and I put on Love Island because it's the show we've been watching, so we need to get caught up. We have our matching onesies, obviously, because we're cute as hell, and Charles is tasked with putting on the strings on the ornaments because a lot of these did not come with the strings already attached. So him and his big fingers are going to try and do that.
If you sell ornaments without strings, why do you sell them? Like, I just don't get it.
That's true.
What is wrong with you people?
It makes it so much
This one
harder.
took me 20 minutes. And look how shitty the string is. Look how much extra string there is. Like, what is... This is all...
We got
give me the
this.
next package, please.
Okay, here, do all these next. We need every single one of these done.
What?
Yeah,
There's no string in here?
there's none.
Okay.
They're all stringless. Charles! That's your job. My job is to make the tree all nice. You can put the string on.
I'll do one more package.
Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here.
Good morning. So I went to sleep after decorating the Christmas tree last night. It took so long, like way longer than I thought it would, to, you know, put everything up, separate the branches, put all the ornaments on it. But I mean, it's so worth it. Look how cute it is. I love the way it turned out. It's so pretty. So it's a 9-foot flocked Christmas tree. I literally just found out what that meant. That's what it's called when there's like the snow on the branches and stuff. I got it from Amazon and it came really, really fast. That was like the main reason why I wanted this one. And it's massive, like it's floor to ceiling. And same with the skirt on the bottom here. I got that from Amazon as well. And it just looks so cozy and all the presents can go on there. I'm gonna finish up with the rest of the decorating around the living room. Like I have some garland, some candles, some pillows. I use my BH eyeshadow palette to create this little winter eye look going on here. So if you haven't got one yet, cop it. The link will be down below. Best eyeshadow palette in the game. But yeah, still got lots of decorating to do. Still in my cozy pajamas. Let's finish up.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what
what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes. So it's true, I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide but falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, I'm falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend.
All right, you guys, Prince and I are ready to show you the living room now that we've spent a whole day and a half decorating. Let's see what it looks like.
Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby.
So I'll give you an overview of the entire living room, Christmas stuff, but also everything else since I haven't really done a living room tour for you guys. So over here we have my brand new frames. These are from CB2. I still have to put stuff in the frames. They literally just got hung up yesterday. We're also gonna have another 4 on the other side of the TV. It took me so long to figure out what decor I wanted to do on either side of the TV because it was such like an awkwardly large space. And I just didn't want to do like one painting or like a lot of little frames. So I thought these were the perfect size and they go really well with the whole kind of farmhouse modern vibe. And then the table that we have under the TV here is from Living Spaces, and I got the garland on top from Amazon. Honestly, most of the Christmas decor I got is from Amazon, and I just ordered everything all at once, and you can find some really good deals on there too. So most of the stuff I feel like I got a decent price, but I mostly just wanted it all to come ASAP, which is why I ordered from Amazon. The garland I put on my dining table kind of as a centerpiece, and it kind of has like silver and white ornaments that match the Christmas tree vibe a little bit too. I have silver ornaments on the tree as well. And then my tree, like I said, it's a 9-foot flocked artificial Christmas tree. The fake snow on it was really, really messy when we were first putting it together, but it seems to be okay now. I just vacuumed up all of the initial mess that was all over the floor, and then I haven't really had much fallout since. So I'm not regretting my decision about the flocked tree because I feel like it really adds to the decor of the tree and just makes it look more Christmassy. There's snow on it. I mean, there's no snow in LA, so I had to have it on my Christmas tree, obviously. Also, since it's a larger tree, I decided to get an assortment of different sized ornaments. So this is, I think, a 4-inch ornament. It's a lot larger than the regular ones. And I also got these things to add some glam to the tree. And then I Pinterest like how to put ribbon on a tree because I had no idea. And I ended up just putting the ribbon kind of looking like it's looped through the tree, which I think looks really pretty, makes it look more full. Overall, I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back. I really love how it turned out, and it's my first Christmas tree in LA, so couldn't be more proud. I love it. Thank God Charles was here though, because we needed his tall ass to get to the top. The skirt is also from Amazon, but I believe it's one of the larger sizes. It might be 57 to 60 inches. I don't know, I'll link down below. But I had to get the larger size because this is a larger tree, but it's really good material. You know, it looks fluffy and looks really nice under there. It looks good. I don't know much about Christmas tree skirts, but I like it. And then over here, we have my Christmas wreath along with 2 little side lamps with flowers in them. All of that is from Amazon. I got 2 2 wreaths, one I put over the fireplace here and one I put in the dining room. And then these were actually such a good deal. 2 came in a box for, I forget how much, but I'll pop it up on the screen. They're these really pretty little farmhouse pots that have fake flowers in them and also some fairy lights. So I think I'd like these for all year round, even if I just put them around the house, because they're Christmassy, but also like they could pass all year round, right? I'll make use of them. In the stockings, we have S for me, obviously. We have the middle one for Princey, and then C for Charles. So I thought that was really homey. I like how it has our initials on it. And you need stockings if you're decorating for Christmas and you have a fireplace. It's just classic. You have to. And then a really easy decorating tip, a quick way to spruce up your living room for the holidays, is to switch out your pillows to some more festive looking colors or festive looking pillows. So I added some silver sequin pillows to our leather chairs here, and then also added some throw blankets that are a little bit more warm and Christmassy. Not very expensive at all. Quick way to spruce up the living room. This pillow is from Wayfair, but both of the sequin silver pillows on either side are from Target as well. And this pillow is very, very special. It may or may not be coming soon to the Sylvia Ganny shop, so keep your eye out for that. I literally have so many of these just throughout my house because they go with everything. Same goes for this throw blanket right here. If you look closely, you see it says S Club in the center there, so keep an eye out on Sylvia Ganny's shop. Follow us on Instagram so you know when the new launches drop. And the pillows on the couch, I think I'll keep them up all year long as well. So we got the white one from Target, the beige one's also from Target, and this one with the buttons is from Amazon, along with the pillow inserts for these 2 pillows are from Amazon as well. And then I bought a bunch of these light up kind of fairy white sticks here from Amazon. They're battery operated, which makes them super, super easy. Throw 3 AA batteries in there and turn them on. They also have a timer. So I've put those inside of this basket that I use for extra pillows and throw blankets. I got this from Home Goods for like 25 bucks, so it's super affordable. Who is it? And these were really affordable as well, so it's an easy way to spruce up any room. This vase is also from Amazon, but it's just a plain white extra tall floor vase, and I feel like it looks really, really pretty with these put in it and makes it look expensive when it's not. And then moving on to my tray that I have in the middle of the table here. The fake candles are from Amazon. They are battery operated. You can turn them on and off with this remote right here, or they have a timer to them as well. You can put them in candle mode, which makes them flicker, but I put the rest of them in the garland on the dining table. And then also in this tray, I have these awesome coasters that I got from Amazon. Read them, you guys. They're so great. How amazing are these? They're literally my favorite thing about my house. I mean, it says it all. You pay all this money for your furniture. You don't want it to get messed up, so use a coaster, honey. And then I recently got this interesting skull animal head situation from Living Spaces on Black Friday, so it was on sale. You know we love a good sale. Also that day from Living Spaces, I got the dining table. I love it. It has wheels on the bottom of it. It's really big, so it fits up this whole space really nicely, and there's a lot of storage under there for only like 120 something bucks, you guys. The deal was crazy. And then on the kitchen table, I swapped out the other thing that we had here for a miniature little Christmas tree. Festive Vibes from Target. Fairy lights that I got from Amazon, battery operated so they can go anywhere. I just put them on the kitchen shelves. It's just a really simple way to make it look a little bit more Christmassy. And again, those have a timer, so you can either leave them on all day or put them on a timer and save battery. So yeah, I'm very proud. It took a very long time. Feels good to have everything nice and decorated. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing my nails recently. I've been doing press-on nails instead of getting acrylic nails on at the salon. I find it saves so much more time, money, and they are just like all around like it's a nail hack. Like, I need to show you how I do my new nails. These ones are an old set. They are ready to come off. One fell off earlier today, but let me show you how I do my press-on nails to make them super long lasting. Like, I had this set for over a month for like 2 full uses, but it's time to swap them out for more Christmas festive nails, and I'll show you guys how I do my press-on nails. Let's go. But first tea, because your girl's throat hurts. So to take off my old set, I'm just gonna soak them in warm water, and you just soak them for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. And once they're soft, I just take a wood stick and gently put it in between the fake nail and my natural nail and just gently apply pressure inwards. And then slowly your natural nail will separate from the fake nail. Obviously, the longer you've had your nails on for, the easier they'll be able to take off. If you're trying to do this right after you've glued them on, it'll be way harder. Repeat that for all of the nails until they're all completely off. And there we have it. One hand is completely off. There is some remaining glue, so I'm gonna go dry my hands off and show you how I get rid of the glue and prep them for the next set. So I've cut my natural nails because they grew out pretty long underneath the old set, and I've also pushed back my cuticles. So now I just like to buff each nail, and that just gets rid of all of the old glue and gives us a nice fresh base to put on the new set with some new glue. And that's basically all I do to prep them before I put on a new set. So I'm gonna wear this set today. Obviously it's the most Christmassy. They are gorgeous. I get all of my sets off Etsy. If you just basically search up press-on nails, you'll find so many different sellers with all different types of custom designs to choose from. These ones in particular are from Insta Nails Grease, and I'm just gonna apply using the nail glue that came with it. To make it extra long lasting, I do a layer on my natural nail, not too much because you don't want it to ooze into your cuticles, and then a light layer on the back of the fake nail, and then just press down, and I usually hold it for up to 10 seconds. I find that they last a lot longer if I use the UV light to dry it, but this is optional. I got mine off Amazon. It was not expensive, and I make good use of it. Even when I'm just painting my toenails, it dries the nail polish so much faster. And there we have it. Perfectly applied nail. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other fingers, and we'll be done. There we go, nails are done, ready for Christmas. My living room is done and ready for Christmas. And that is all for this video. Make sure you check out the new merch items that dropped. All right, link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, click right here to subscribe. Give me the gift of subscribing to my channel this holiday season. Thank you so much. And watch my other videos if you haven't seen them yet. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.